Anybody's birthday here today? Cool. All right, here we go. Now